Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok stuck on processing when uploading. First of all, wait a few minutes. Videos sometimes take time. Next, you are going to check your internet speed. Go ahead and see if you guys are on a stable Wi-Fi and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then close background apps to free up memory space. Then go ahead and open your app store, search for TikTok and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Safety tip: avoid uploading from public Wi-Fi if the signal is weak. Processing may fail. Quick fix: cancel and re-upload the video. Export it at a lower resolution if needed, and that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.